Indication of control lights. Number one is red signal. Red signal tells the driver to stop at the junction. Number two is yellow signal. Yellow signal tells the driver to wait. Young, get ready. Number third is green signal. Green signal instructs the driver to go into the intersection. Component requirements. We will assembling our traffic light control system from a variety of parts. The components are: number 1 is 141N4148 diode, 4017 integrated circuit counter, number third is clock, and last one is a traffic light. Last one is working principle. This traffic light is constructed using a counter IC, which is commonly found as a sequential circuit. It is also known as a sequential traffic lights. To count the number in a row, sequential circuit are used when it comes to the operation of traffic lights. The main IC is the 4017 counter IC, which is used to activate the red, yellow and green lights in traffic signals respectively. Clock serves as a pulse generator, supplying as an input to the 4017 counter IC. The timing of the glow of such lamp is entirely dependent on the clock. Traffic signals are not directly attached to the 4017 counter, so the light would not be stable. To achieve the desired performance, we used a combination of 1 and 4148 diode and LEDs.